Welcome back to our channel, where today we are talking about the 10 foods that can clean your lungs and breathe new life into your respiratory system. Our lungs are an essential part of our body, but we often neglect to take proper care of them. With natural remedies readily available, there's no need to rely on pharmaceuticals that can come with unwanted side effects. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of lung-cleansing foods. Food 1. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it turns out it also keeps the lung diseases at bay. The antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids found in the apple work within the fruit and juice to fight against free radicals. Keeping your lungs healthy, apple acts as an excellent option to detoxify your lungs. Food 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage are all part of this leafy family and are filled with natural compounds known as glucosinolates that help initiate the production of detoxifying enzymes that help in eliminating carcinogens and toxins from the lungs. Food 3. Blueberries. As a powerhouse of antioxidants, blueberries are a remarkable food that helps in protecting our lungs against damage from free radicals. The presence of anthocyanins not only adds a vibrant hue to the berries, but it also helps reduce inflammation and repair the damage to the lungs from oxidative stress. Food 4. Avocado. The creamy and delicious avocado may have a reputation for being high in fat, but it contains antioxidant compounds like beta-carotene and lutein that help your lungs stay healthy by protecting the cell from free radical damage. Food 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has been a staple food in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years and contains an active compound known as curcumin that helps in boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation in the lungs. It also acts as a natural bronchodilator, which helps ease the airways muscles and let the air get into your lungs easily. Food 6. Ginger. Ginger is known to be an excellent anti-inflammatory agent that helps in easing the swelling in the lungs. It contains gingerol, a compound that helps in opening the airway and promoting blood circulation, directly benefiting the lungs. Food 7. Garlic. Garlic has been a natural remedy for centuries and has some fantastic benefits for our lungs. Garlic contains allicin, which acts as a potent antimicrobial agent, helping your lungs stay away from infections. The sulfur compounds present in the garlic help increase the production of glutathione, an antioxidant that helps to remove toxins from the lungs. Food 8. Pomegranate. The juicy and exotic pomegranate contains polyphenolic compounds that play a vital role in protecting the lungs against oxidative stress. Pomegranate juice, in particular, has helped people with asthma and improve their lung function. Food 9. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help in reducing inflammation in the lungs. Walnuts have also been shown to increase the activity of natural killer cells, which play a fundamental role in fighting off respiratory infections. Food 10. Spinach. Spinach is the king of leafy greens that is filled with vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. Not only does it improve the immune system, spinach helps in strengthening the lungs. The high level of iron that spinach contains also helps transport oxygen to the bloodstream and helps in preventing lung fatigue. There we have it, folks. 10 fantastic foods that can clean your lungs and keep you healthy. Remember, these foods work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle and plenty of exercise. So, if you're looking to improve your lung health, be sure to try incorporating some of these delicious foods into your diet. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.